Today we will study properties of operations on rational numbers. How many operations we have? We have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we will see the first property, that is closure property. What does closure property states? It states whatever operation you will apply it on rational numbers, the answer will be also in rational numbers. Means either we add, we subtract, multiply or divide, our answer must be the rational number. Means we are adding the rational numbers, we must get the rational numbers. So let us see. We will took one example. I have taken 3 upon 5 added to 1 upon 5. We get the answer 17 upon 20. As we can see, 3 by 5 is a rational number, 1 by 4 is also a rational number, and the answer 17 by 20 is also a rational number. So we can say the rational numbers are closed under addition, because we are adding the rational number and we are getting rational number as an answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now move to the second. This is subtraction, the property of subtraction. Now when we subtract two rational numbers, I am subtracting 6 by 7. I am subtracting 3 by 14 from 6 by 7. What we get? We get 9 by 14. The difference of rational numbers is 9 by 14. The difference of these two rational numbers is 9 by 14. So as we can say, rational number subtracted from rational number, we are getting a rational number. So rational numbers are also closed under subtraction. Means subtraction of rational number holds closure property. Now we will look for the multiplication. This is a rational number multiplied by a rational number. What answer we get? Minus 2 by 5. And this is clearly a rational number. So here also what we will say, that the rational numbers are closed under multiplication, or we can say the multiplication of rational numbers is closed under closure property. Now next we will look for the fourth operation, that was division. Division means, now let us take some example first. I am dividing minus 7 by 16 by 21 upon 32. Here we get minus 2 by 3. So it seems rational number divided by rational number, we are getting a rational number. But it is possible always? Let us take another example. Minus 7 by 16 divided by 2. Class, I want to tell you here, 0 is what kind of number? 0 is also a rational number, because we can write any number in the denominator. So 0 is also a rational number. Now in this case, what answer we will get? We didn't get any definite answer, and it is called not defined. So as rational number divided by a rational number is not a rational number, so it is not always true. We divide a rational number by a rational number, the result, the quotient may not be a rational number. Here clearly we can see, when we are dividing a rational number by 0, which is a rational number, we are not getting any rational number. So what we will say, that the division of rational numbers does not hold closure property. Why it does not hold? Because it is not always true. It is sometimes true, but not always true. So the closure property holds in addition of rational numbers, it holds in subtraction of rational numbers, it holds in multiplication of rational numbers also. But division of rational numbers does not hold closure property. Now move to the second property, that was commutative property. What does this commutative property states? It states that we can change the order of the question. Means if we look for the first addition, so addition is commutative for rational number. It means if we change the order of addition, means I have taken the example 1 upon 2 plus 2 by 3. Answer is 7 by 6. If you write 2 by 3 first and 1 by 2 later, then you get the same answer. Means we can write the rational numbers in any order. Which we have to write first, which we have to write second, that doesn't change the answer. We can write any number first and any number second. We will get the same answer. So we can say the addition is commutative for rational numbers. Now let us See one more example. Let us see the property of subtraction first. Is subtraction also commutative? Means can we write in any order for subtraction also? Let us take one example. When we subtract 2 by 5 from 3 upon 4, we are getting the answer 7 by 20. But if we subtract 3 by 4 from 2 by 5, what answer we are getting? Minus 7 by 20. Clearly these two are not same. One is positive, one is negative. These are different rational numbers. Here the subtraction is not getting the same answer. So in the question we have to take care which number we have to write first and which number we have to write later. Otherwise the answer will get changed. So we can say the subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Now the third operation, that is multiplication. We will look कि multiplication पे जो commutative property है वो hold होती है या नहीं. So we have taken two rational numbers and we are getting this answer, minus 35 by 81. 7 by 8 multiplied by minus 5 by 11, we are getting the answer minus 35 by 88. Now I interchange the numbers. I have written minus 5 by 11 first and then I have written 7 by 8. What answer we are getting? The same answer. So here we can say the multiplication is commutative for rational number, means we can write in any order. Which number we want to write first, we can write. Now again we will look for the division. If division is commutative or not. So let's divide. We will go through the example. Minus 5 by 11 divided by 15 by 22. How we will do the division? You all know we will write the reciprocal of this and multiply. So we are getting the answer here minus 2 by 3. But when we write in opposite, means I have written 15 by 22 first divided by minus 5 by 11. What answer we are getting here? Minus 3 by 2. Are these two numbers same? No, these two are not same. So what we will say, that the division is not commutative for rational numbers. Now the third property of the rational numbers is associative property. We will check on all the operations one by one. Again see, for the addition we can write in any order. As you can see here, I have added these two numbers first, we get the answer this, and later on I added this. I get the answer minus 13 by 12. But in the second case, I have added these two numbers first and then I am going to add this number. So what answer we get? I get the same answer. It means I can say rational numbers can be added in any combination. Means when we have more than two rational numbers, means 3 or 4 rational numbers, we can add any two numbers first. The answer will not get changed. So the addition is associative in nature in rational numbers. Now look at for the subtraction. Can we change the combination in subtraction? See, a minus b minus c is not equals to a minus b minus c, means the difference. First I write like this and secondly I have written like this. The answer of this question is this, and the answer for if we are writing like this, we get the answer 5 by 12. Clearly the rational numbers are not same. So what we will say, the subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Let us look for the multiplication. Here I am writing like this. I multiplied these two numbers first and I get this answer, and later on I multiplied by this, I get 1 by 8. In the second example, I have multiplied these two numbers and I get the answer 1 by 7, and then it is multiplied by 7 by 8. I get the same answer. So I first add these two and in the second I multiply these two first and I get the same answer. So what does we say? That the multiplication is associative for rational numbers, means rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. Now look at the last for division, means division is associative for rational numbers or not. Let us check it by through the example. I have written this. I divide this number for these two rational numbers first and after I am dividing it by that. See, here we get the answer 455. But in this case, when I change the bracket, means here I divide these two first. What answer we get? 5 by 9. These two are different. What does this mean? That the division is not associative for rational numbers. We can look at this table for a glance. Means the closure property holds for addition, subtraction and multiplication only, and commutative holds only for addition and multiplication, and same way the associative property holds only on addition and multiplication of rational numbers only. Thank you.